Someone's just appeared in front of the camera. I'm going to continue. So in today's video, I'm going to be looking at the field of views which the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has to offer. So I'm just going to get to a suitable location so you'll be able to see the screen changes with the field of view. Because if I was to just do it in this open space behind me, you don't really get a feel for what's happening with that field of view. So to find the field of view with the Ace Pro 2, there's just an icon in the bottom right hand corner there, and if you just tap that, it'll bring the 5 field of views what the Ace Pro 2 can offer. So the first one's called Action, and this is going to be great for skiing or cycling or any other action sports. The next one in line is called Mega. Now this provides a wider view with minimal distortion for that natural look. Then the next one in line is called Ultra, and this is going to be great for mountaineering, hiking and other sports. Someone's just appeared in front of the camera. I'm going to continue. Then the next one on the list is called Dewarp. Again, if you follow my channel, I like to vlog in this style, although it's called standard Dewarp on the Action 5 Pro. This is just called Dewarp, but I like the look that this gives. And the next one on the list is called Linear, and this is going to keep all the lines straight and true. Again, it's going to be suitable for vlogging scenarios. And now if I just toggle through each one of these field of views, you'll be able to see how that changes. Again, the first one called Action is the widest field of view. Now let's get back to the video. Here we go. Right, now I've found a suitable location. As you can see, I've got 2 trees either side of me. So each time I change the field of view, we should be able to see some change there. Right, so the first one on the list is called Action. And as you can see, this is quite a wide field of view. And this is going to be great for any action sports. So just keep an eye on the trees there, because I'm going to keep the camera in the same position as I toggle through the field of views. Now this field of view is called Mega, and this goes for more of a natural look. You won't get those distorted bowing edges. Everything will be true and straight. So what do you think to this look? And now the next one on the list is called Ultra. Again, it's saying that this one is for any type of action sport. It looks very similar to the first one called Action. And now this next one on the list is called Dewarp, and this is pretty similar to the standard Dewarp which you find on the Action 5 Pro. Only this one's called Dewarp, not standard Dewarp, and this will slightly bow the edges, but it's not that noticeable. So what do you think of this one? And this is going to be great for vlogging. It's what I've been using with the Ace Pro 2 since I've had it, and the edges do warp slightly, but not as much as if you was to be in a wide angle there. And then finally on the field of view list there, we've got this one which is called Linear, and now this does keep all the edges true and straight. As you can see, if I just tilt it to the tree, we've got no bowing whatsoever in those edges, but this one is going to punch in the most of all the field of views. So again, what do you think to this one? And this field of view is going to be great for vlogging, but just beware, it punches in a lot more than the others. And now I've just spun the camera around. I'll just toggle through those field of views again. I'll keep the camera in the same position just so you can see how it changes there. So this first one is called Action. Now the second on the list is called Mega, and I can see that that's punched in there slightly. Not a great deal from the first one which is called Action, but just a little bit there. And the next one on the list is called Ultra, and there's not much difference to this one to the one previous this, which is called Mega. And now the field of view is set to Dewarp, and this is slightly wider than the previous 2. And then finally we're in Linear, and again this is the one that punches in the most. So see what you think to all of those field of views there. And now I've switched back to the first field of view which is called Action, and as you can see, at the end of each frame there's a lot more space between the frame and the tree than there is on the other previous field of views. So this will be the widest field of view what the Ace Pro 2 can offer. And now I've set the field of view back to Dewarp because I prefer this one when I'm vlogging. Again, let's test those 13.5 stops of dynamic range. with that really bright sunlight today. And let's just see how it fares. Again, am I a shadow or can you make the detail out? Because if I'm not a shadow and you can make the detail out, that new AI chip with the 13.5 stop dynamic range is working rather well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today and you've got a great insight of the 5 field of views which the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has to offer. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel. There's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon, especially with this Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.